Welcome back guys, we are back here again with another bag series. We have made a lot of videos on different bags, and in this video, the brand that we are going to be talking about is Tomtoc. Tomtoc is quite famous for its bag as they are stylish and trendy. In this video, we are going to be covering Tomtoc's laptop bag series. We are going to go in the detail about its feature, material, design, so that you know if it's worth the purchase or not. Right now I have this versatile A11 laptop bag which has a quite unique look to it. It weighs 350 grams and it comes in 3 different colors, as you can see on the screen. So you have variety of options to choose from, and personally I love this khaki color because it gives a very fashionable and unique look to it, so it stands out from another standard bags. As you can see, the design of this bag, it's quite minimalist, it's functional and trendy. It is built in a way that it will hold your devices and laptops securely. So if you're traveling or commuting, your device is going to be secured. As given in the name, versatile, the bag is quite versatile because you can use it as a handbag or a laptop bag, and it is great for daily use. So if you're a corporate worker or a college student, I think it's gonna be great use. The bag is made of polyester PU. It's durable and it's made of high quality material so that your bag lasts long and your belongings are protected over time. It has also got this easy to carry handles which are made of PU leather, and it makes it very secure and comfortable with the grip. Looking at the corners, it has corner armor technology which gives protection to the corners and prevents damage even if your bag falls, so your laptop is going to be completely secured. Coming to the compartments, there are 4 compartments on the outside, 2 in the front, 1 in the back, and the main compartment. Looking at this front zipper compartment, also they use YKK zippers which are quite premium, and they secure your items and it gives a very smooth glide while opening and closing the zip. So in this front compartment, as you can see, there are 3 inside small pockets where you can organize your belongings neatly, and here you can keep your charger, laptop charger, documents or cash, wallet, etc. And this big space, huge space can be used to keep your notebooks or pen. Looking at these 2 compartments, which are like hidden quick access pocket that uses magnet for easy closure while remaining discreet. Here you can keep your notebooks, pens, wallets, etc. So I mean, looking at so many compartments, if you're carrying a laptop bag, I don't think so you have to use another bag to carry your notebooks, etc. This bag solely can fit all of it. Coming to the main compartment, which is also secured with this padding, so if your bag falls, your devices are still secured. And the material inside is very soft, so if you keep your device, you don't have to worry about the scratches. And if you look closely, as I mentioned about the corner armors, you can feel it from the inside, so when you keep your laptop or iPads, the corners are going to be totally protective. Even if the bag falls, it is going to prevent your devices from the damage. So overall, this versatile A11 laptop handbag, fashionable and trendy, totally goes with its name, versatile, because it can be used by men and women. And as I mentioned earlier, the material and design is built in a way where you can use it daily. So it's great for corporate workers and college students. It's not too big, not too small, totally stylish. That's all for today's video, and we are gonna be back with another amazing product. For that, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and see you soon in the next video.